friends, my name is Manju. Today I am going to show DOMS pencil sharpener SOCCER SHOTS. It is 10 rupees. It is available in different colors. My sister got orange.